You may remember in last month's update of this new attraction that we talked about how they have not done anything new on it since the pandemic hit. Well, that's finally changed. We have track going up the lift hill and our first piece of exterior track outside the mountain. That is the section that you'll be able to see from the main pathways, is to contrast the gray track, which is inside the mountain, that you will not be able to see from the main pathways. So it's all very exciting. Still not sure whether this will be opening up next year or not, but we'll have to wait and see. In case you're new to following the progress of this new attraction and you're wondering who the manufacturer is of this track, Lagoon is doing it all in-house, the same they did with Cannibal. Intermountain Lift is the one actually building the track, but Lagoon themselves are the designers. You can still see inside the very under levels of this mountain leading up to the lift hill. So my guess is right over here, that's probably going to be the station. One thing we do gotta mention in past updates, we've referred to this project as Primordial because that is the name that Lagoon trademarked for the attraction. Ever since, they have dropped that trademark, which likely means they're going with a different name. So until then, we'll just be referring to this as Lagoon's new roller coaster. I'm assuming that the general theme of the ride will be staying the same. They'll just be calling it something else. So we'll have to wait and see if they trademark something else anytime soon. So you can see a bunch of footers here. You can tell that's where some tracks are going to go for the outdoor portion. If you ask me, it looks like some sort of helix. There you can see the base of the lift hill. Again, looks like it's going to be doing a right-hand turn out of the station to go up this lift. There's a theory, so we don't know if it's 100% true, but there's a theory that when you're going up this lift hill, you'll pass over a waterfall, which will be going right in here in that little gap in the rockwork, which would be pretty cool if you ask me. So we'll have to wait and see if that ends up being true. You see more pieces of track sitting there in the storage lot.